In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shorten your form or meeting URL in Microsoft Teams. This process is simple, yet incredibly useful when you need to share long links for meetings or forms. By shortening them, your URLs become easier to manage, share, and remember, especially when sending them in emails or quick messages. Let's dive right in and master this task together. To begin, open Microsoft Teams. If you're not already signed in, log in with your credentials to access your account. Once inside, head over to the calendar section from the menu on the left. This is where all your scheduled events and meetings are displayed. From here, locate the specific meeting or event for which you'd like to shorten the URL. When you select the meeting, you'll see its details and available options. Now it's time to copy the meeting link. Each meeting you schedule in Teams has a unique URL that participants use to join. Look for the option to copy the link. Sometimes it's directly visible, or it may be within the meeting details. Simply right-click and select Copy, or use the keyboard shortcut to place it on your clipboard. With the link copied, we're ready for the next step. Next, open your browser and go to tinyurl.com. This well-known tool provides a free, straightforward way to transform lengthy URLs into neat, concise links. Once you're on the TinyURL homepage, you'll see a simple input box at the center. Paste the meeting link into the box by right-clicking and choosing Paste or using your keyboard shortcut. Before clicking the Shorten URL button, note that TinyURL allows you to customize your shortened link. This step is optional, but customizing it can make your link more recognizable and relevant. For instance, adding a keyword related to your meeting or project. Once you're ready, click Shorten URL. In just moments, the site will generate a shortened link for you. This new link is the one you'll use for invitations and sharing. It's concise, professional, and clutter-free, making it much easier for participants to click and join without confusion. In professional or educational environments, this small adjustment can make collaboration noticeably smoother. And there you have it. A quick, effective way to shorten your Microsoft Teams meeting or form URLs using TinyURL. By adopting this habit, you'll ensure your communications remain clear, efficient, and polished. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tip helps you streamline your future meetings and sharing needs.